Okay, game. Hello, baby. Baby love. So, dayon akong pagkabalahan bilang adlaw, almost 2 weeks. Dahil kat imong request, dahil ang ginambag imong request nimo nga magubra ako video before ako magpanaw. So, dayon to sorry, kuro to isugod kara. Medyo hindi ganyan kaganda pero okay lang. Ang ba manimo ay basta halin ka kon manami. Basta magdahan ikaw Ferme. Love you so much. I-continue mo ang pamantaw. Okay, game.
You give me the peanut butter to my jelly. You give me the butterflies I feel in my belly. You give me the captain and I can be your first mate. You give me the chills that I feel on our first date. You give me the hero and I can be your sidekick. You give me the tear that I cry if we ever split. You give me the rain from the cloud when it's storming. Or you give me the sun when it shines in the morning. Don't know if I could ever be without you, 'cause boy you complete me. And in time I know that we'll both see that we're all we need. 'Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, you're the smoke to my high, and you're the one I wanna marry. 'Cause you're the one for me, and I'm the one for you, for you. You take the both of us, and we're the perfect two. Yeah, we're the perfect two. We're the perfect two. Baby, me and you, we're the perfect two. You can be the princess, I can be a princess.
Hello again, baby. Dayang video nga ra ay akon nga message para kimo. So first of all, thank you ako kimo nga mayad dahil for the past few months na magkaibahan kita ay na sayang akon nga bakasyon. Permina akon kaibahan, ikaw kaibahan. Thank you very much, baby. Sorry dahil sa mga saga na akon nga obra kimo nga nakasakit sa imong feelings. I have learned from that. I will not do that again. Sa mga saga na akon nga to. I love you, baby. So ako nga hambon kimo ay thank you. Magdahan ikaw ya Ferme, ito ikaw itmayad para imong mga dreams ay matupad. Maging successful ikaw sa ulihe. Akong wish para kimo ay makatapos ikaw pagtuon, having your good grades, passing your board exam, yun. Magdahan ikaw permigid, ang hindi ka magpagutom. Okay? Love you, baby. Wish na akon sa atong relationship. Wish sa atong relationship. Kunta magbuhay pagid kita, kunta maging strong pagid kita. Sa atong distance nga ray, bukon man problema siguro ro distance nga ron. Basta having our trust, our love, and our respect for each other. Yun man na ron. Importante, love and trust. Uh, Hopefully, makauli ako iya sa September sa imong kaping. Yan. Uh, be inspired, baby. Doon yun be inspired always. Peras man ka akon nga, always inspired because you're my inspiration. Love you so much, baby. Atong mga dreams matupad. Thank you very much, baby. I love you so much. Magdahan gid ikaw, take care of yourself. And one thing, one last more. Always wear that smile that I gave you. Mwah. I love you so much, baby. Be good. Love you. And I will miss you. Hello, baby. Daya akong kantaki mo. I love you so much. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. This love in my heart that I feel and for you. Let me say we're crazy, don't care about that. With your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I'll stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Let me say we're crazy. What do they know? With your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need. All I want to do is hold you forever, forever and ever. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Thank you. Love you so much. Hello. Dahil ang video nga ray ako nga video. Sugat akong ginahambal para kimo. So, daya. Man. Gusto ko man ibahon na. Oh, nag-text ka po. I don't know what yung reply. I don't know. Ibig sabihin na duyog kagon. Okay. Gaya na kiss. Text mo man ikaw. Opo ang answer. Bago abe, just tell me if you're going to sleep na. Oh, sige. Miss you, baby. Dili lang. Reply pa ako. Sabi ko sa hostel. Incut. Sabay na